So on this side we got some trout and gizzards. We got a big trout straight out the back. Gizzards and trout over here. It's a 4-board spread with a big trout on a balloon. So we're gonna see if we can't get a nice striper this afternoon. Good example of bait and all those fish right behind that bait right there. That's just a big school of fish. I don't know if they're stripers or spots, but there's a bunch of them. Nice group of fish. These look like stripers here. All you gotta do is record.
Master, is it recording now?
Yeah, it is. Oh man, what do we got down here? Flat bottom. No trees.
Not right now.
He ain't got nowhere to go. Yeah, he'll find those for sure.
Keep hauling, Jim.
There you go.
I got him, Jim.